Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Steve Watson with today's Tàijíquán Tip and with Darcy and Barbara. Thank you. We were just doing some rear stepping practice with the cane at the end of our session. So that's going to be what our Tai Chi tip is. So we're going to, if you want to set the canes down, we're going to do a little bit of form practice. So we're just going to be practice on our form. So I'm going to just say we're going to practice. Let's say from here in the first single whip, just to let you know. And what I want to do is follow the energies and directions of the form, but I mean the compass directions, but not the directions of movement. So here, we would normally be here in our form, but what I want to do is turn these into retreating energies. Right? Good. So the idea is to take the moves that you have in your form and express them in the same direction with the same intention while stepping back or after a step back. But it may not work for every move. So you may want to just kind of flow through a little bit of form and then just say, oh, on this move, instead of going forward, I'm going to step back and do that. So it'll change your relationship to the space that you're in, but it shouldn't really change the expression of the move, right? Generally speaking, but it can be a lot of fun to sort of explore. Does this have to be done forward? Can it be done when I retreat, but can I still have forward energy, for example? Or can I have opening energy when I step back instead of just advance forward? So that's your tip. Find the yin in your footwork and be as receptive as you can to anger and kindness. Thank you.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.